Hi guys, I hope you are well with your family. So if you're on the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, just this is my username and stay in touch with me on all of these social media. It will be my pleasure. Perfect. So let's get started. So guys, in previous video we talk about process of the hacking, and in this video we are going to do the practical demonstration of the hacking process. So first of all, we are talking about the deciding the target, and after that we will be doing the footprinting of our target. So first of all, I'm going to define the target that whom you want to hack. So the reason why it's so much important to know the information regarding the target is that because maybe the target is huge large, maybe the target is every single information you have to find out regarding the target, because maybe after your hacking attack, maybe if you hack into that person's profile, maybe you hack into that organization, maybe they're going to fire a lawsuit against you. So you have to take care of all these type of things, that how much big your target is, that whom you are hacking right away. So every single things we are going to find out in this video lecture only. So let's get started and let's enjoy doing hacking. Perfect. So the first thing I want to tell you guys that take example that I want to decide the target. So I'm just taking the target as Facebook, that I want to hack into Facebook. So how I can be able to find out the details regarding the Facebook. So for that, what exactly I'm going to do, I will be checking out, I will search the Facebook out there, and I'm going to find out the information regarding the Facebook in this site only. So here in the bottom you can be able to find out some details about that which type of things they are having, and apart from you are having this domain right away. So I'm going to find out this domain information right away, that who's the domain owner, where exactly that website is located, what's the physical location of that website, when this domain name is taken, every single information I will be finding regarding that website. So what I will do, I will go to one of those sites, who.is, and after that I'm going to write down the domain name out there, and I'll click on the search. If you are the beginner, I just know this path. If you are the beginner, you can be able to go to the who.is website, and when you click on this website, you are going to find out the search option out there. So what are the things you want to search out? Search the name out there, and you can be able to get the every single information regarding the domain. Perfect. So what the information you can do, find out that when exactly that domain was registered. So you can be able to see this domain was registered on 1997. So how exactly you can be able to take the benefit of it? You can be able to see domain is expiring on a 2028. So maybe some website maybe forget to renew the domain, and you have to just you have to wait till this time. So take example that this website is not renewed at that point of time. So what the advantage you can be able to take? You can be able to purchase that domain, and after that you are having $1 million of the assets. Perfect. So that's how you can do take the benefit. Some of the people that are earning money by doing the domain flipping and all this type of stuff. This is what you can be able to do. So these are some of the information regarding the domain, that the domain organization is the Facebook Inc., and this is exactly the address they are having. This is the mobile number they are having. So if you are having some celebrity site, you can be able to put the celebrity site out there, and you can be able to maybe find out the actual mobile number they are having of the site owner. Because using this method, I find out a lot of influencer people's mobile number, and I can be able to connect with them by calling to those people, and that's how you can be able to get their mobile number even. Perfect. And this is the email they use to purchase out their domain. So you can be able to send us email, and you can be able to stay in touch with them. So all these type of the details you can be able to find out using this who.is website. Second website, maybe for some website you can't be able to find out all these details. Maybe you think that your website is hosted our GoDaddy server. So GoDaddy is one of the website which is providing the domain name and hosting out there. So if you think that your website is hosted over GoDaddy, then you are going to search out all these details on the who.is. You can't be able to find out all those details out there. So you have to search out those things inside the GoDaddy only. If your website is purchased from GoDaddy, then the more relevant information you can be able to find out on the GoDaddy. So what exactly you have to do? You have to search for the GoDaddy who.is, and I will go to this site, who.is website. And along with in this page, you can be able to find out that this is the fetching the data from the register safe out there. Perfect. And even you can be able to find out that how exactly the domain is registered. All these type of things you can be able to find out inside this domain, that which type of name servers they are using, which type of this similar domain you can purchase. All these type of details you can be able to find out over there only. So what I'm going to do, I'll be just opened up the the GoDaddy who is, and after that I'm going to write down some information out there. So what I'm going to do, I will write in the facebook.com here, and I'm going to click on the search. So after when you click on the search, you're going to find out that you have to, click on the I'm not a robot man. Come on man, I'm not a robot. Where the chimney man? Come on, where the chimney? So I have to just select down the chimney out there. I can't be able to find out the chimneys out there. So I'm just skipping out, and yeah, I'm not a robot. So it's going to show every single information, same as the information you can be able to find out inside the whois. Same information you can be able to find out over there here. Perfect. So my reason to tell you about the GoDaddy is that because if maybe most of the Indian websites, they are hosted over the GoDaddy, and using the GoDaddy website you can be able to find out their personal mobile number, their email address, and all these type of things you can be able to find out. Perfect. So it's so much crucial important to find out all these the basic details regarding the website, because maybe you should know what the risks involved if I'm hacking, if I'm doing anything with this site, if I'm doing anything with that person. So all this type of information you have to find out in the footprinting. The third website example that you are not having the domain name out there, you are not having the facebook.com, you are having some IP address out there. Perfect. So if you want to find out the IP address of the Facebook, what exactly you have to do? You have to go to your terminal or go to your CMD, whatever things you are having, and after that I will write down one command. I'm going to ping out the facebook.com. Perfect. So I will write down ping, and after that I will write down facebook.com, and it's going to give me the IP address of this website. So this is IP address of this website. So I will copy it out, and even you are going to open this IP address on the Google browser, it's going to open up the facebook.com only. Perfect. So there is one website which is mostly used by cybercrime investigators, and this website is CQCounter. CQCounter, this is amazing website which is used by all these type of the people. So open this site CQCounter, and here you are going to find out the whois option. Click out there, and after that you can be able to write down, click on the whois also. So you are going to find out all these types of information, that where exactly their location, their server hosted, this is the location their server hosted, and all this type of information you are going to find out regarding that domain only. Along with, you want to trace, if you want to check out the trace route, that how exactly that domain is coming out to you, how exactly as you are connected with that server, then this is the trace route we are following, that hey, from the USA, this is the exactly trace route we are following. So all this type of some basic information out there. Perfect. So this is about for website. If you want to find out any details about the site, so take example that if I'm doing the bug bounty hunting, so I want to find out the subdomains of the facebook.com. So for that, what I will do, there's a site wolfform alpha outdoor, and when you go to this site, you're going to find out the you are going to find out the subdomain option out there. So I'm going to find out the subdomains option out there. Subdomain, take example, just do the search out there. So maybe I can be able to find out subdomains, or otherwise I'm going to do the Google. Otherwise I will be doing the Google, so I can be able to find out the subdomains of that site. So let me check out where exactly it's showing. It's not showing the subdomains out there. So what I will be copying this website wolfform alpha, and after that I will search here, and I will write down subdomains, and I will click on the website here, because this right now I can be able to find out subdomains. So I have to just write down the domain name out there, that is the facebook.com, and I will click on the submit out there. So let's click on the submits, and you're going to find out subdomains regarding that site. Perfect. So these are some of the domain they are having. You can see the daily, this is the daily page visit, how many daily visitors are there ranking, this is the 4th ranking, and this all this type of information you can be able to find out regarding that website. So this is so much amazing website that you can be able to find out all this type of details. So here exactly the option is subdomains. So why subdomains is so much important? Take example that if you can't be able to find out any bug inside the facebook.com, then even if you want to hack into facebook.com, then if you can be able to find out the bug into all these type of subdomains are out there. business.facebook.com, al.facebook.com, ambasicfacebook.com, all these type of the subdomains out there. So if you can be able to find out the bug inside those sites also, then you can be able to hack into Facebook. So that's why it's so much crucial that if you're doing the bug bounty hunting, that's how you can be able to find out the subdomain details of any of the site. So guys, let's talk about some amazing things out there, that how you can be able to find out the information regarding any person. So the first thing I will be doing, that I will be checking the username. So for that, this website is out there, aware-online.com, and you have to go to this site. And after going to the site, if you are one of the person who want to get the top understanding of the open source intelligence, then go to this site and read every single information they're giving right away. Perfect. So I can't be able to explore all of these options. So as I told you, the site, you have to go to this site and you can be able to try out all these type of options they are having. Play with all these type of options so you can be able to get the better understanding. So I will be doing some basic stuff out there. I will be searching for the username. So take example that any criminal, committed any of the crime, or there's any username whom you wanted to hack, and you want to check out that where exactly that username is present. He's having Facebook account, Instagram account, Twitter account, which type of the more account he's having. So for that, what exactly I'm going to do, I will be checking out my username with the Facebook. So what I will do, I will search out for the where exactly the Facebook is out there. The Facebook is writing down. So you can see, let me check it out. Perfect. So this is going to search my username on the Google. So this is going to search on the Bing and all these type of things out there. Perfect. Even if you want to search on the Facebook, then you can select down the Facebook and you can be able to do the search. So what I will do, I will just search on I will write down the Gautam Kumawat here, Gautam Venture. This is my username out there, and I want to search out this username to the where I want to search out this username. Wait a bit, man. I want to search out this username on the Google. Perfect. So here I will writing down and I will click on the Gautam Venture search, and you can see the Google is going to give you search out my names out there. And same as if you want to search out on the Facebook, then you have to select down the username search tool out there, because if I want to search out the username, then I have to select this. So I want to check out my username on the Facebook. I will just click on the Gautam Venture out there and I will click on the check, and it's going to open up my Facebook file. So I can be able to read about the victim, that hey, which type of things the victim is interested, what exactly the victim is doing, all the type of information you can be able to find out over there. Perfect. And one more thing, guys, don't forget to connect with me on my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page out there, Gautam Kumawat Official. Go to this Facebook page and stay in touch with me over there so we can be able to remain connected. Perfect. So if I want to find out any information regarding any of the username, go to the username search tool out there and put down the victim username so you can be able to find out their details on the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Just you have to put their username, click on the check, so you don't have to waste more the time writing the emails, opening the account of the Facebook, Instagram. Directly you can be able to search out. In fact, the next thing I want to tell you that the one framework, which is the open source intelligence framework. So take example that if you want to search about the darknet, then which site you have to follow if you want to gather the information regarding the darknet site. So this is the open source intelligence tool. So take example that I want to search about the Tor directories. I will click down here, and for that, if I want to search about the Tor directories, then I have to follow the hidden wiki site. So these are the sites they given to you. So what exactly you have to do? You have to copy this site and you have to Google those site, and on those site you can be able to find out all the Tor directories, and that's exactly you can be able to find out there. So these are some of the directories you can be able to install the Tor browser and you can be able to open up. So what are the information you want to gain, what are the open source intelligence you want to get. Take example that I want to search the username out there, same as we did here in this site. So for that I'm going to use the username search engines, and these are some of the username search engine out there. So what I will do, I will just click on there, and after that this is the username search engine out there. Perfect. So that's how you can be able to play with this. My name is Gautam Venture, Gautam VENTURD. I will just click on the search out there, and it's going to show up that on which account, on which social media my account is already there. So it's not it's on the Facebook, it's on the Twitter, it's on the Instagram, it's on the Twitch, it's on the Reddit, it's on the LinkedIn. All those places the Gautam Venture is already existed. Perfect. So that's exactly the benefit you're having. Then you can be able to utilize this amazing, these awesome tools. to do the open source intelligence. Perfect. So if that person is the criminal out there, you know, the investigator is going to find out that hey, on which social media he's available, and using the social media he can be able to, you know, find out the details about that person, that which type of the content is sharing. Maybe that person is tagging out his location, and the police can be able to find out that on which location he's staying. So that's how you just have to play with your mind, and you can be able to find out more and more information out there. Perfect, guys. So this is for this amazing video about finding the, you know, doing the footprinting, finding the details regarding any of the site, regarding any of the person, and that's it for the video. In the next video I'll be talking about, you know, the more things, that how exactly you can be able to, you know, gain access inside any of the computer system. So all these amazing things we'll be talking about in the next video. Till this time, guys, if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you don't like me, then you're going to find out an option out there, I hate hacker G. Click on that button. Just check out, you are going to find out that option also, I hate hacker G. Click on that button if you don't like me. And don't forget, if you like me, if you love me, don't forget, support me out, connect with me on all of the social media, so we can be able to stay in touch with you. In fact, thank you so much, guys. Like this video, subscribe to this video, and I will see you inside next lecture. Goodbye, take care, have a great awesome day.